In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Amazon's Save for Later feature, a handy tool for keeping track of items you're interested in, but not quite ready to purchase. Whether you're planning to buy later or just keeping an eye on prices, Save for Later is perfect for organizing your shopping experience. Let's dive right in and learn how to make the most of this feature. First, to move items to the Save for Later section, you'll need to start with products already in your shopping cart. So if you haven't added the item to your cart yet, go ahead and do that first. Once you have your item in the cart, you're ready to begin. Now, let's head over to your cart. If you're on a desktop, you'll find the cart icon conveniently located at the top right corner of the screen. For those using a mobile device, look towards the bottom center of your screen to find it. Click on the icon to open your cart and view all the items you've selected. Once you're inside your cart, scroll through your list to locate the specific item you want to save for later. This is the item that you're not purchasing immediately but want to keep track of for future reference. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the right product because this will move it out of your active cart temporarily. With the item in sight, you'll notice a few options listed right below the product title. Here you'll find the Save for Later link positioned conveniently next to the delete button. Go ahead and click on Save for Later. This action will move the item from your active cart into a separate section below, specifically designated for saved items. You'll know you've successfully moved the item when it disappears from your main cart view and appears in the Save for Later list. This confirmation makes it easy to see that the item is no longer in your immediate purchase queue, but safely stored for future consideration. And there you have it. You've just learned how to efficiently use Amazon's Save for Later feature to organize your shopping list and prioritize your purchases. By utilizing this simple function, you can keep your cart clean and focus on what you need at the moment, while still keeping an eye on items you want to revisit later. Remember, this feature is particularly useful during sales events or when you're comparing prices, so be sure to make the most of it. Thank you for watching this quick guide on how to use Amazon's Save for Later feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your online shopping experience smoother. Happy shopping!